my first time using this thing, so. So I come up with this idea. I finally got me a 3D printer, and I was getting to the point of where I needed to do the wheel wells for the Patriot build. So I figured, why not 3D print them? So I got in my CAD and designed up. This is the beginnings of it. And here's the finished wheel wells. It took me like 3 tries to get them dialed in, 3 times printing them, and the last time I got it, it's close enough to work. So, but I just want to take a minute to show you these and whatnot, and then I'll kick over to a time-lapse video of it printing one of them, and then I got a few more videos I'll share with you as well. But Patriot's coming along. Can't wait. There she is. I gotta make some tweaks, which I figured, but pretty daggum close to be my first try, and just reverse engineering using my micrometer and whatnot. But yep, I got a few things I gotta tweak, but for the most part, come on, I just broke it. But oh well. I got this a little too tight. I just broke it right there, but I pressed it when I probably shouldn't have. But either way, it's a prototype, so need to expand out a little more and shape this a little better. And I need to adjust the size of this so it fits better. Other than that, hope you enjoyed that. Figured I'd throw that together for you and show you what I came up with the retracts for the wheel wells, really, for the retracts. And so I've got them installed now, so we'll see how they do. But thanks for watching. If you don't mind, hit that like and subscribe. Give me a comment. Let me know how I'm doing and what you got going on. So other than that, have a great one.